To the people, the leaders, and the powerful nations of the world, before you continue listening, take a moment and imagine your own child living beneath the sound of bombs. Imagine your mother crying in fear, your father unable to protect his family, your home turned into dust overnight. Human history has taught us many lessons, but perhaps the greatest lesson is this: no nation truly wins when humanity loses. Wars may create temporary victories, power may silence people for a moment, and weapons may conquer lands. But none of these things can ever bring peace to the human heart. Every war leaves behind broken homes, crying mothers, orphaned children, destroyed dreams, destroyed economies, and generations forced to grow up with fear instead of hope. And the people who suffer the most are often not presidents, not politicians, not powerful leaders. It is the ordinary human being, the father, working day and night, only trying to feed his children. The mother, terrified by the sound of explosions in the dark night. The innocent child, who does not dream of power or politics, but only dreams of safety, school, love, and peace. When nations fight endlessly, humanity pays the price. Businesses collapse, jobs disappear, food becomes expensive, fear spreads across borders, and millions of innocent people slowly lose hope in tomorrow. The world today is deeply connected. If one region burns, the pain reaches millions across the earth. And this is why peace is not weakness. Peace is wisdom. True greatness is not measured only by military power, but by how much hope, justice, safety, mercy, and humanity a nation gives to the world. To the ordinary people of the world, do not allow hatred, politics, or division to destroy your humanity. We may belong to different nations, different religions, different races, and different cultures, but our tears look the same, our pain feels the same, and our children dream the same dreams. No child deserves to grow up beneath bombs. No mother deserves to bury her innocent child. No family deserves to sleep every night, afraid of tomorrow, because in the end, the world does not survive through power alone. The world survives through wisdom, mercy, justice, respect, compassion, and humanity. One humanity, one world, one future.